In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track leads in Clickup. We'll move from your inbox to the key sales views, then add an account so you can manage leads with confidence. First, open Clickup and head to your inbox. Think of this as your command center. It helps you see what needs attention right now. Before you dive in, make sure you're in the correct workspace for your sales team. If you switch between workspaces, confirm the right one is selected so you're looking at the right data. Next, open your team space from the left sidebar. This is where your work lives, organized by function. Inside that space, go into your sales CRM. If you don't already have one, use the built-in sales CRM template to spin up a project quickly, then customize it later with fields like lead stage, account owner, deal value, and any tags your team uses. Templates get you moving fast, and you can refine as your process evolves. From there, open the view called Accounts by Health. This perspective groups accounts based on their overall status, giving you an instant pulse on where relationships stand. It's perfect for spotting which accounts are thriving and which might need extra attention. Switch over to Board View. You'll see columns such as In Progress, In Review, On Track, At Risk, and Off Track. Use this layout to visualize your pipeline. As a best practice, keep cards moving. Dragging an account to a new column updates its status, which keeps reporting clean and stakeholders aligned. Next, open the Account Hub repository. Treat this as your master list of accounts. It's ideal for quick audits and batch updates, and you'll notice the same familiar statuses like In Progress and In Review to keep things consistent. Now, jump to My Accounts. This view filters the list to what's assigned to you, helping you focus on your personal book of business. Scan for upcoming touchpoints, confirm owners are set, and make sure notes and next steps are current. Then check unassigned accounts. This catches records that don't yet have an owner. Review them and route appropriately so nothing slips through the cracks. Finally, click Add Account to create a new lead or company record. Enter the essentials: name, key contacts, notes, expected value, and the initial stage, so your team has context from day one. Save it, and it will appear in the views we just covered. And that's it. You've navigated the core ClickUp views that make lead tracking clear, collaborative, and actionable.